small.
What are you even using?
Plastic.
Nice plastic, nice little bass, nice footage. Oh, here comes a bass. Yeah, the bird swam away. Bass. Alright, I just wanted to show you this. I caught one on a slip bobber. There's my minnow still on my slip bobber. There's another minnow still in his mouth. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but yeah. He bit my minnow when he already had another minnow in his mouth. That's what bass, they bite and ask questions later. That's what I like about them, but I'll let them go and try getting back to you guys again. This just shows how aggressive bass are. It was biting my sinker. It's coming in right now for a minnow. Got him by the head. I'm just gonna go. Nope, can't get him. He only had it by the head, so said too early. He got off my camera screen so I couldn't see him anymore. Oh, school's bass just came in. Oh, he's back. He's tiny. Oh, there's two. Found one of them's gonna bite. Let's give it a little bit of jig and the minnow goes. So, oh, here comes the bass. Both of them, here they come. Okay, the one got by his head, spit it back out. The one's kind of not interested. You can see the minnow's almost bigger than it. And they're leaving. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but I got 3 fish right now, all circling my minnow. Most of them are, oh, right there. I missed him. They're still down there. Put the minnow back down. There's one coming back. Right there. I believe right now there's 3 bass down there. But I'll get back to you guys. Only got 30 seconds on video, guys. Got a bluey. And he's swimming away. So, I'm going to try getting back to you guys when I have more video time.